Why do Arabs sometimes say ma and other times say mu? They both mean not. So what's the difference? By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly when to use each one. Let's start with ma. We use ma before verbs. A verb is an action. Look at these examples. بعرف بدي شفته بفهم راح روح. Every word after ma is a verb. So the first rule, don't focus on ma itself. Instead, look at the word that comes after it. The next word tells you whether ma is the right choice. So ma plus verb. Now let's look at mu. Mu is also a negative word, just like ma. It means not, but it isn't used in the same situation. So again, don't memorize the example, focus on the pattern. The word that comes after mu tells you why it's used here. We use mu before nouns and adjectives. A noun is a person or a thing. An adjective describes a person or thing. That's why we use mu here. So mu plus noun. Mu talib. He is not a student. Mu talib. Mu دكتور. Mu بيتي. Mu أخي. So the rule is actually very easy. Before choosing ma or mu, look at the next word. If it's a verb, use ma. If it's a noun or an adjective, use mu. For example, مو كبير, مو كبير, مو صغير, مو صغير, مو غالي, مو غالي, مو سهل, مو سهل, مو واضح, مو واضح. And now let's look at the mistakes learners usually make. These are the most common mistakes. Again, before making a negative sentence, ask yourself, is the next word a verb, a noun, or an adjective? Then choose the correct negative word. For example, مو بعرف, wrong. ما بعرف. مو بدي, wrong. ما بدي. ما طالب. مو طالب. ما غالي. مو غالي. Let's practice together. I'll give you a sentence and you choose the correct negative word. I don't know. ما بعرف. He is not a doctor. هو مو دكتور. It's not expensive. مو غالي. I don't understand. ما بفهم. She is not reading. مو جاهزة. We don't have time. ما عنا وقت. See you in the next lesson.